The slow life of sloths, nature's masters of leisure. Sloths are fascinating creatures known for their slow-paced lifestyle and unique adaptations to life in the treetops. These enigmatic animals native to Central and South America have developed a variety of characteristics that enable them to thrive in their arboreal habitats. Here we delve deeply into the world of sloths, exploring their biology, behavior, and ecological significance. Classification and species. Sloths belong to the order Pelosa, which also includes anteaters. There are 6 extant species of sloths, divided into 2 families: Bradypodidae, 3-toed sloths, and Megalonychidae, 2-toed sloths. 3-toed sloths. 1. Brown-throated sloth. 2. Pale-throated sloth. 3. Maned sloth. 4. Pygmy 3-toed sloth. 2-toed sloths. 1. Linnaeus's 2-toed sloth. Hoffman's 2-toed sloth. Each species has unique adaptations and behaviors, but they all share a common lifestyle characterized by extreme slowness and a preference for the treetops. Physical adaptations. Arboreal lifestyle. Sloths are perfectly adapted to life in the trees. Their long, curved claws enable them to grasp branches securely, allowing them to hang effortlessly. Their limbs are adapted for a hook-and-pull climbing motion rather than walking on the ground. Musculature and movement. Sloths have significantly reduced muscle mass compared to other mammals their size, with about 30% less muscle. This reduction is a key factor in their slow movements. Their muscles are adapted to support prolonged periods of hanging rather than rapid, powerful movements. Metabolism. Sloths have one of the slowest metabolic rates among mammals, which conserves energy and aligns with their low-calorie diet. This slow metabolism means they digest food at an incredibly slow rate, taking about a month to digest a single meal. Thermoregulation. Unlike many mammals, sloths have a low and variable body temperature, ranging from 30 degrees C to 34 degrees C, 86 degrees F to 93 degrees F. They rely on environmental heat sources, such as sunlight, to regulate their body temperature, which conserves energy. Diet and digestion. Folivorous diet. Sloths primarily eat leaves, although they occasionally consume fruits, flowers, and small insects. Their diet consists mostly of leaves from the Cecropia tree, which are low in nutrients and require significant energy to digest. Digestive system. Sloths have a multi-chambered stomach similar to ruminants like cows, which allows them to ferment and break down the tough cellulose in leaves. Their slow digestive process enables them to extract as many nutrients as possible from their fibrous diet. Behavior and daily life. Activity patterns. Sloths are predominantly nocturnal and crepuscular, being most active at night and during the early morning and late afternoon. They spend about 15-20 hours a day sleeping or resting, often in a curled-up position high in the tree canopy. Movement. When sloths do move, they do so at an incredibly slow pace, averaging about 0.24 kilometers per hour, 0.15 miles per hour. This slow movement helps them conserve energy and avoid detection by predators. Grooming. Sloths have a symbiotic relationship with algae, which grows on their fur and provides camouflage. They groom themselves regularly using their claws to maintain this beneficial coating. The algae also serve as a food source for moths and other insects that live in their fur, creating a unique microecosystem. Reproduction and life cycle. Mating behavior. Sloths have solitary lifestyles, coming together only for mating. Females emit loud calls to attract males during their brief estrus periods. Once a pair mates, the male leaves and the female takes sole responsibility for raising the offspring. Gestation and birth. Gestation periods vary between species but typically last around 6 months. Females give birth to a single offspring, which clings to its mother's belly for the first few months of life. The young sloth learns to navigate the trees and find food by observing its mother. Development. Sloths grow slowly, taking several months to become fully independent. Even after weaning, young sloths may remain close to their mothers for up to a year before venturing off to establish their own territories. Ecological significance. Ecosystem role. Sloths play a crucial role in their ecosystems. As folivores, they help regulate tree growth and forest dynamics. Their slow movement and unique fur provide habitats for various organisms, including algae, fungi, and insects, contributing to biodiversity. Seed dispersal. By consuming fruits and defecating on the forest floor, sloths aid in seed dispersal, which helps maintain forest regeneration and diversity. Predation and threats. Sloths have few natural predators, including jaguars, ocelots, and harpy eagles. However, their slow movements make them vulnerable to human threats such as deforestation, habitat fragmentation, and hunting. Conservation status. Several sloth species are currently at risk due to habitat destruction and human encroachment. The pygmy three-toed sloth, for example, is critically endangered, with its population restricted to a single island off the coast of Panama. Conservation efforts are crucial to preserving these unique animals and their habitats. Summary. The slow life of sloths is a remarkable example of evolutionary adaptation. Their leisurely pace, specialized diet, and arboreal lifestyle have enabled them to survive and thrive in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. Understanding and protecting sloths is essential not only for their survival but also for the health of their ecosystems. By appreciating the intricacies of their slow existence, we gain insight into the delicate balance of nature and the importance of conserving the diversity of life on our planet.